2. How much? 15,000. I where do you want to start? 15, get 8. 8,000. I get 8,000. Here, 45. 45. Take it. 45 here. 55. Here we go, gentlemen, right over there. Get 9, 2 and a half. I get 9, 2 and a half. It's hard to see the good ones go, gentlemen, right here, but we do have a Rumley here, made in LaPorte, Indiana, selling in LaPorte, Indiana, owned by a gentleman that took care of his tractors and had pride and joy in his tractors. 9, 2 and a half. Let's go. I got 2 and a half. I'm going to get 2 and a half. I'm going to get 92, 2 and a half here. 2 and a half. I got a bit of 9, 2 and a half. I'm going to get 91. I'm going to get 91. I got 9 pounds. I'm going to get 91. To get it on 91. To get on 91 here. 91 on the net. Going once. I'm going to get 91, 94. Going twice. I'm going to get 91 here. 91. I got 91. Going 3 times. 91, 191. So $9,000 right there. So